showing server error, stuck loading, or not responding, try these fixes. Fix 1. Check Claude server status. If Anthropic servers are down, you must wait until they restore service. Visit Claude status page. Fix 2. Refresh Claude AI, press Ctrl F5 to perform a hard refresh, close the tab and reopen Claude. Fix 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. 1. Open browser settings. 2. Clear cache and cookies for Claude. 3. Restart the browser. Fix 4. Disable VPN or proxy VPNs can sometimes trigger connection issues with Claude AI servers. Disconnect VPN, reload Claude. Fix 5. Try incognito mode. Open Claude in Chrome, incognito, Edge in private, Firefox private window. If it works there, an extension is likely causing the issue. Fix 6. Disable browser extensions. Temporarily disable ad blockers, privacy extensions, script blockers. Then reload Claude. Fix 7. Change browser try. Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox. Fix 8. Flush DNS open command prompt as administrator and run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart your browser afterward. Fix 9. Restart internet connection. Restart your router. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile hotspot. Test Claude again. Fix 10. Log out and log back in. Sign out of Claude, then sign back in. Common Claude AI errors. Server error. Conversation not loading. Network error. Message failed to send. Something went wrong. High demand capacity error. These are often caused by temporary server overloads on Anthropic's side.